Whatever your style, whatever your budget, we have a kitchen for you. As a design consultant in Wickes, our role is to really understand how you want to use the space.
We offer a free design service where we'll come out to the house, we'll take the measurements, we'll ask you some questions and get an understanding of how you use the kitchen.
I had the ability to email you through a 360 view of the kitchen. So being able to see the 360 from the comfort of your own home gives you so much time to digest it, think what you love about it, what you think you could improve. So by the time you come in to see me, you've got a real understanding of what it is you're looking to do.
Wickes are really proud to offer two different kitchen ranges, the Wickes Lifestyle kitchen and the Wickes Bespoke kitchen. So Wickes are able to offer 4 amazing designs, our shaker, J-pull, Intelliger and slab. And from that we can actually give you 70 different styles. So we have blues and greens and greys, we have our neutrals, and then we have our amazing wood tones.
Like you can see on this range behind me here, we've got the Natura Dawn panels that really set off the green, so you can mix and match the two and they complement each other quite well.
The amazing kitchen I'm standing in is our new Tiverton Twilight, and that's actually been teamed with the compact laminate worktop and matching splashback, so that your colour tones are actually taken through the design within the space. So a Wickes Lifestyle kitchen or a Wickes Bespoke kitchen can be designed by a design consultant in store.
With our Wickes Lifestyle range, we have them all available online for you. So some of them we can even get to you next day delivery, and some of the stores will even hold these in stock, so you can come in today and take them home with you.
So on a Wickes Bespoke kitchen, if we are just supplying you product to fit yourself, this will take approximately 4 weeks. If you need us to install your project for you, it will be more like 8 to 12 weeks.
With our Wickes Lifestyle kitchens, we will support as much as we need to. So we'll offer you a full detailed plan of the kitchen, perspectives, and whatever else you need to help you complete the project.
So once you've agreed your plans and you're happy to move forward with an installation with Wickes, our Wickes approved installer will do a site survey at your property. They will go through the technical side of things, so electrics and plumbing, and maybe any other work that you want to add outside of our scope of works. Everything we do as part of the installation comes with a 2-year workmanship guarantee, so you can be confident that the work we do will give you years of enjoyment in your kitchen. But you're also assisted by our Customer Experience Centre. These guys not only pick up and coordinate your deliveries with you, but they check in with you during the installation to make sure everything is as you expect, and at the end that you're happy to sign everything off, because we want this to be a brilliant experience for you. We offer 2 different guarantee periods.
So with our bespoke range, you will get 20-year guarantee on the cabinet, and you will get a 10-year guarantee on the door and drawer fronts.
We offer on our Wickes Lifestyle kitchen, we offer 5 years on the door fronts and 10 years on the cabinets.
So here at Wickes, we can offer you a huge range of brands, Electrolux and AEG, Neff, Rangemaster and Samsung, and we've recently added Bosch to our range. There's so many things you might never have known you wanted, but actually you do. We also offer lots of other things that maybe you didn't consider a finishing touch. So whether it is the lighting over your island or new doors around the house, there's lots of finishing touches. So once you've purchased your Wickes kitchen product from us, there's an added bonus of getting 10% off any of the finishing touches that you then purchase from store. So on a Wickes Bespoke kitchen, you have finance options just to help you achieve the kitchen of your dreams and maybe include a few things you hadn't thought about at the start. We give you the option of a buy now, pay later scheme or an interest-free option. Speak to your design consultant in store and they will help you work out the best finance for your project.